Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and a giveaway, and it is Glossybox. This box is paid for by me. I do get Glossybox in PR as part of the Glossy Circle, but that box has not arrived. So this is one that I've paid for myself. I have my own subscription, which I then give away every month to you guys. It is a monthly beauty subscription box, and I think I did a 3-month or 6-month subscription. I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen, but I'll leave the prices for you guys. I do have a discount code, which I'll put on the screen if you want to use it. But yeah, this one is paid for by me. My PR box. It's lost in the snow, or Hermes have got it. I don't know. So we're just gonna get in and have a look. I've seen no spoilers. Oh my god, I don't want to give this one away. It's so pretty. Oh, I don't want to give it away. Look, it's like I'd say a CD. It's been a long day. It's a tape. Christ on a cracker. I'm like, can't get my words out. That is amazing. It says Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat mixtape. I love that. Absolutely love that. Who remembers these? If you're not old enough to remember these, then you just make me feel even more old than I am. So let's jump in. This is the cutest thing. I'm not going to be testing any of the samples or anything, just because it is to give away to one of you guys. Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat. February 2021. Oh, it's okay, it's Rose. So it says, hi Glossies, February is a month of love, and at Glossy HQ, one of our biggest loves is music. You'll frequently catch us humming a tune, which is why our mantra this month is Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat. Whatever you love, we've got a box here that you're sure to adore. Love from Team Glossybox. This looks so cute. Oh my god! There's something in here that I just got in my Birchbox as well. That's so weird. So they've both got it in. One's Rose and one's, you'll see in a minute. So we have got, this is where the value is on this one. This is an Avon Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. So it's Avon, which means it is £58, and this is full size. Fortified with the incredible ingredients such as rose, peony and sweet almond, this scrub will leave you soft, super soft kissable lips just in time for Valentine's Day. Key ingredient rose works to buff away dead skin, impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips. This product's light effect reflective properties also illuminate the lips, allowing them to glow. So it sounds amazing. Even if I was keeping this box, I wouldn't use it because it is rose, but it looks beautiful. Like, can you see that, the little specks of bits and everything in there? It looks amazing, but 58 quid for that. Next, oh, this looks amazing too. Bubble tea, peach Bellini. Oh, I want to eat that. I bet this is sealed, so I can't even smell it. Can't even smell it. It's going to be amazing. Packed with fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles, along with aloe vera and ultra moisturising shea butter. This product is a real treat for your hands. Sweet and uplifting, this hand cream is guaranteed to nourish and soothe hands that have dried out in the cold. £4.99. Oh, that's cheaper than I thought it was going to be. I might just buy one because it's cute. That's really nice. So this is, I've just got one of these in my Birchbox. Literally, I've just undone Birchbox here, and it had a little bag in it, and I was like, what the fuck is that? And it had this in it. And then this is the same. That's plastic. Okay, so this one's plastic. That one is made of jade. Look, that is literally just, that's just plastic. That is jade. How much was that one? See, that is £12. That's a jade one. This one is Rose Gua Sha, and the brand is Glow on 5th, and it's this facial massage tool helps contour your face and neck to enhance the features. However, it can be used to relieve tight muscles. Use this over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes every day to flush lymphatic drainage and increase your blood circulation. To be honest, I feel like that's just a bit, I said it in the other one, I don't know, I just don't feel like that's a, like, I don't know, why is it, it's rose coloured, make it of rose quartz. For a tenner, that's literally a piece of plastic for a tenner. And like, if you put that in the fridge, that's going to be plastic. You put that in the fridge, that is going to be ice cold and lovely. But used for 4 to 6 minutes, who's got time every day? This is not comfortable at all. I said it in the other one. It's just, it's not a very nice feeling. It's cold on that other one, but this one's just plastic. Whereas you can get a jade roller for a tenner and do that over your skin, and that feels amazing, and it's relaxing, and it feels like a massage. This just feels like my 18-month-old has got one of his toys and is just like jabbing me in the face with it. No, over that. I'm sorry, I've just realised I've just jabbed this all over my face for this someone to give. I'm meant to be giving this away to someone. I will sanitise this. I forgot, I got all excited and grumpy. I will sanitise that, I promise. Get it back in the box. Next up, this is something I really like. This is a Steve Laurent, and it is a Total Repair lip mask. I love a lip mask. I think they're amazing. This is £5. Lips feeling dry and cracked from the cold weather. Mine are at the moment. I did a lip scrub, made them very angry, which is why they're ginormous, and then I put gloss on them, which is why I look different. Total Repair lip mask will bring a burst of hydration to your lips whenever you're in the need for a little love. Instant soothing and revitalising lips mask. This also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines to leave them looking and feeling smooth and soft. That's lovely. I love lip masks. And then the last thing in here is a Nude Sticks full size. This is £20 gel colour and cheek balm. That's what we got on it. We got a cheek colour and lip balm in Birchbox as well. Weird. Rich in colour and glossy shine, this multi-purpose beauty product works as a gorgeous tinted lip balm as well as a natural cream blush. I'm not going to swatch it, but I will just show you the colour. Just a really nice red, but it says it is a tint, so which makes me think it's going to be a lot more muted once it's used. But that was the box. I don't think it is a bad box at all. Obviously the value's there because of the Avon, and everything else, if this was my box, I would use it. Apart from that, I just don't get it. Why jade roller is just much nicer, or rose quartz roller or anything like that. You can keep them in the fridge, they're cold. I don't know, that's just not relaxing. And I like, when I'm doing skincare and stuff, I like to feel relaxed. I don't like to feel like I'm being hit in the face with a bit of plastic. I might just be being a negative Nancy, but that's just happened, so